Hello. My sister and I are going to a Taylor Swift dance party tonight and I am so excited. This is the dress I'm planning to make. I love it. It's one of my favorites. And yes, I know I said it's tonight and I'm just making the dress now, but it'll be fine. I am the queen of procrastination. Anyway, there wasn't a whole lot that I had to actually make. So I bought a black shirt. I bought these beautiful shoes, and they're actually dance shoes. I saw a tip online that said they're going to be more comfortable to dance in all night long, so I love them. I bought a white tutu and a whole bunch of fake flowers. I got some invisible thread. Shout out to Nicole from Crimson and Scarlet for making a video about this because it is so cool. This is what it's looking like so far. I put pins in to mark where I wanted to add more flowers so I can kind of keep track. For the flowers that are close together, I didn't even have to tie off each individual flower because you can't even see the thread connecting them. Love it. So anyway, I have a little bit of time. I'm gonna finish adding flowers and I'm gonna watch the Reputation tour while I'm doing it.